Peace and love, everyone. Peace and love. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. If you don't know who I am, I'm Empress BK Idowu. I have my little Lucky over here. Lucky Osiris is trying to get in the video. Anyway, I'm just doing a very short video to let you all know of an upcoming video that I will be doing. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell to find out like when I'll be doing more uploads. I will be doing a reaction video to some of my King J. And if you're not familiar with King J, I swore by King J caps. I still love King J tubes and stuff. It's just that my hair has gotten way too long to handle it. And I have been doing some testing recently, just trying to see how long one would last for me, and honestly no more than a day now, and the elastic will stretch too much because of the weight of my hair. So for those who don't know, my hair is down to my knees. I'm 5'8". It's just to give you a visual. So what I'll be doing this afternoon is shooting a video letting you all know of some of the great finds that I've found, for hair coverings. Some of you all that are just starting your journey, I always talk about the frizz and this, that, and the other. That's something that does not bother me. I'm definitely freeform. So I have frizz, I have loose hairs, I have everything. So, and it doesn't bother me. But, just to let you all know, yes, I am riding my, I said a little out of breath. I've been riding my stationary bike since about 4 o'clock this morning, and it is, no, 4:30, I'm sorry, I was late, and it's after 7:30, so I have a little bit more time left to go. Drinking on some green tea, as well as I have a jug of H2O always, and I have a green smoothie this morning, all before 8 o'clock. I try to get my nutrients in. I know I just got totally off topic, but you all know, if you've been on my channel before, that health is everything to me. Comment down below if you have been living a healthy lifestyle, and some of the benefits that you reap from doing it. Anybody that doesn't know my journey, please go back and watch some of my videos that are talking about what I've been through in the past few years or whatever. I have a whole playlist of it. I forgot the name of it, but it's dealing with anxiety disorders, panic attacks, all that type of stuff, depression, medications and stuff that I was on that I'm no longer taking. I want to give a big shout out to Dad's Life. If you all are not familiar with him, I had his video up. I was just watching him a little while ago. I watched him yesterday, and then I was playing it again today. But Dad's Life, make sure you check him out. It's DADZ Life, LIFE, one word. I'll put it in the description box. But check out Dad's Life. Has awesome dreads, and he's also talking about different ways, different styles. See, I can't do any styles because of how long my hair is, but with his, I think this is his 3rd set of dreads. He's showing you how to do different styles. For those who are looking for styles, definitely check out Dad's Life, okay? But for me, if you're just looking for pretty headbands and different little things that you could do to cover your hair, not just pretty headbands, but I know I have men here on my channel, definitely for my kings, my emperors, all this stuff will apply for you as well. Some things, like some of the yoga tubes or whatever, may appear to be a little bit more feminine for certain men, but I think if you're rocking a black one and a nice material, then it's not. And we're definitely trying not to use cotton. For those of you who don't know, yes, I am super, super, super gray. You all, I'm not trying to hide it. It's just I wear hair coverings, sometimes. Just to accessorize, because there's not a whole lot that I could do with my hair. And I mean, it's not about styling for me, but still, I don't want it hitting the floor when I go grocery shopping or whatever. So I do different things just to not only protect my hair, but I don't want anybody reaching out trying to touch my hair. People have done that before. A couple people, just 2. And just to, you know, protect my hair. Sometimes I was putting it like straight in a book bag or whatever. That's cool too, especially if you play sports and stuff like that. I first saw it from one of Bob Marley's sons. He was playing soccer and he put his hair in a book bag. So I started doing that like years later when my hair got, you know, super long. But now, you know, just while I'm working out, so I just have it pinned up like this. If I'm in the kitchen cooking, you know, but still, you want to, people are asking me, they're like, where'd you get that cap from? Where'd you get this from? And it's, a lot of times I'm layering. Like right now I have on 3 scarves. But if I wanted to, like say, rock something, I got a black and white t-shirt on, right? And if I wanted to give it like some dimension and add some color, I would go ahead and go get me a yoga tube, which I have many of, and just wrap it around or wrap another scarf around. All of that, I'll show you all the stuff that I have. Not all the stuff, but all the stuff that I've recently purchased that you can have too for under $5. I mean, that's the low for under $5. You know, so if you're like, oh my God, I can't, you know, if you want that twists or does some type of technique to your hair or whatever, which that's not what I'm about. Or if you're freeform like me and you just want to, you know, kind of accentuate your hair or your look for whatever occasion it is, or just for everyday daily wear, I'm going to show you some things for the low again. And again, I'm going to do a reaction video to my King J. I still definitely push King J, you all. Love it, love it. Magic is okay. King J was just a little stronger. It's just that for $3.99 to $5.99 a cap, now it used to last me for a good few months. Now it will start pulling, and I tested it. It will start pulling after a day for me, but that's because of my hair. It's not necessarily because of their caps like not being the same quality, but because my hair is longer. Okay, and of course somebody is calling me early in the morning, my sister. But anyway, wait for the new video. Comment down below if you have, and my whole phone fell down. Comment down below if you have any questions or any videos that you would like for me to do. Let me know. Glad to be back. I needed to take a break to handle some business and stuff. It's not really a break. I just, when I feel like I have something to talk about, I talk about, but I have been kind of busy or whatever. Excuse the lighting. Like I said, I am sitting here riding my bike, and I thought about you all and decided, let me get in touch. Let me go ahead and let you know that I am going to be putting out more content, and I do have some stuff that I would like to share with you all. Always check the description box. Don't forget to check out my man, Dad's Life, DADZLIFE. Check him out. Great guy. And I will talk to you all later. Make sure the description box has all my Instagram. I have a lot of pictures in there. Hopefully I'll be able to show you my hair in the next video. Show all of my hair or whatever in the next video. But if not, always go to Instagram, because I always have pictures up on Instagram. Many pictures up on Instagram. So check it out, alright? Alright, peace and love, you all. I'm out.